Hello and welcome to this full moon meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let the lunar energy guide you. As we embark on this cosmic meditation, remember to breathe deeply, allowing each inhale to fill you with the light of the moon, and each exhale to release any tension. Imagine yourself standing in a moonlit field, surrounded by the gentle glow of the full moon. As you bask in its radiant light, feel the energy coursing through your body. Picture a silver thread connecting you to the moon, drawing its luminous energy into every cell of your being. With each breath, sense the moonlights expanding within, illuminating the spaces that hold tension and negativity. And as you exhale, visualize this darkness dissolving and being replaced by the moon's radiant energy. Now bring to mind any emotions, thoughts, experiences, or limiting beliefs that no longer serve you. Picture them as dark clouds hovering above you. And with intention, release them one by one, watching them drift away into the moonlit sky. You feel a sense of liberation as the moonlight purifies and transforms these energies. Continue the process until you are surrounded only by the serene glow of the full moon, free from the weight of everything that no longer serves you. As this meditation concludes, express gratitude to the moon for its guidance and healing light. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, carrying with you the liberating energy of the full moon. Open your eyes when you're ready, knowing that you are now aligned with the harmonious rhythm of the cosmos. May this liberating meditation bring peace and renewal to your mind, body, and spirit. Namaste.